We gonna be making bacon today, but made from plants. Hey, it's Ashley Renee, and welcome back to my little corner of the internet where I show you sustainable and plant-based ways to have a healthier body, home, and planet. Okay, so by now, unless you have been living under a rock, you should have seen the viral carrot bacon video by the one and only Tabitha Brown.
Would you see carrots or do you see bacon? I'm about to make carrot bacon.
So today I'm not only going to try that carrot bacon recipe for the first time, but I'm also going to show you how I make coconut bacon. Yes, coconut bacon, which is pretty magical if I do say so myself. Now, these make excellent snacks. And speaking of snacks, I have a magic trick for you. All right, so here it is. There's a little thumbs up button. So you're going to tap it to like this video. And when you do, a snack will magically appear before your eyes. Did you do it? You must have, because the snack has arrived. Now, if you've been craving bacon lately, note that what you've actually been craving is umami. Umami is the 5th flavor receptor, right after sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. Umami is like a savory flavor or a meaty flavor. Thankfully, you can actually achieve the umami flavor with plant-based ingredients. And that, my peeps, is what we are going to do with these 2 plant-based bacon recipes. So, let's begin. Okay, so the ingredients you'll need are tamari, liquid smoke, a little bit of black pepper, but that's optional, and some coconut flakes. And first, we're gonna start out by toasting these coconut flakes. So just put about half a cup of coconut flakes into that pan and lightly stir it around until it's starting to get brown. Right, and then we're gonna take it off and let it cool a bit. Looks kind of like hash browns. Okay, so should be a little bit crunchy. It's got a crunch to it. That's perfect. Now we're just gonna let it cool for a little bit. So while that's cooling, we're gonna put in our ingredients. 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke, 1 teaspoon of tamari, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, a little bit of black pepper, but again, that's optional. And then just mix it all together. Oh yeah, magical. Okay, now turn that fire back on to low though this time. And we're gonna add the mixture. And we're gonna give it a good stir on low, just for about 5 minutes. Okay, so you don't want to overcook this, right? The coconut bacon will crisp as it cools, and as soon as it does cool down, I'm definitely going to give this a taste because I don't want to burn my tongue, but oh, it smells good.
All right, let me give this a taste test. Pretty good.
Yeah?
Have you tried it yet?
No, I haven't tried it yet. All right. Oh, I'm excited. Coconut bacon, let's give it a try. That crunch is just right. And it definitely tastes like bacon. That's that magic right there. Okay, so next up we're gonna try this carrot bacon recipe. Now I tried the Tabitha Brown version, which called for onion powder, garlic powder, liquid smoke, and smoked paprika and a little bit of black pepper, I believe, but I put way too much smoked paprika in it. So I just went ahead and decided that I'm just gonna remix this and I'm gonna try the same recipe that I used for the coconut bacon. I'm gonna see what it tastes like with the carrot bacon. So let's see if my little remix works. All right, so again, we've already made our mixture. It's the same ingredients from the last recipe. Now we're making our carrot bacon strips by just peeling away the carrot. I got five good little pieces. Now we're just gonna marinate this. Oh yeah, that's ready to go. Let's just let that soak. and we're gonna put it in an air fryer for 5 minutes at 380 degrees.
All right, now, I think I'll give this one a try. Yeah, it's,
I think I should leave out the pepper.
yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I think this would be perfect without the pepper.
Yeah.
You can leave out the pepper, y'all. Yeah, I don't think this needs pepper.
A little spice, a little heat. Got that Chris Brown heat.
Honestly, both of these are bomb. I like that the carrot one mimics bacon strips, and that coconut one, it looks like bacon bits, which makes it good for sprinkling on top of dishes. So give them both a try and just comment below which is your favorite plant-based bacon. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on for more plant-based videos headed your way. Until next time, stay green, y'all.
Say it again.
Oops. Oh, whoops. A snack will magically appear before your eyes.